Charles Cole is an industry leader in the field of jewelry design and manufacturing, utilizing state-of-the-art equipment at every stage of our process. We recognize that the finished quality of a piece can never exceed its weakest component, and given that diamonds are usually some component in a jewelry piece, it makes sense to begin this discussion exploring the diamond industry. I'm Malcolm Cole, and I'll be talking you through this presentation. So you're comparing two diamonds, or two diamond certificates if you happen to be shopping on the net, and they appear identical. Why the vast difference in price, even on the same website? Here's how it works. There are only two elements that determine the value of a diamond. They are rarity and beauty. Both have a very real value. Let's start with rarity. Rarity is measured in three distinct characteristics: color, clarity, and carat weight or size. The color is a simple alphabetical scale starting at D and going all the way down to Z. More correctly, it's a scale measuring the absence of color. At its rarest, a diamond has no color and would be graded as a D. The least rare color has a distinct yellow tint and would be a Z. More yellow than a Z and the rarity begins to go up again. Clarity is assessed under a microscope at 10 times magnification. If no cracks, clouds, or included particles are visible, the diamond is considered flawless. The scale runs flawless, VVS, which stands for very, very slightly imperfect, to VS, SI, and imperfect. Diamonds that are graded as VS or better will appear identical to the naked eye. At this level of clarity, you're clearly measuring rarity and not beauty. The last and simplest of the rarity measures is carat weight. It's simply a measure of weight, where 1 carat equals 0.2 of a gram. Now here's an important question. Just who gets to decide how rare a diamond is? Assessed honestly, the opinion should be totally independent of the person selling the diamond. That's obvious. But there are hundreds of independent diamond certificates available on the US market. Of these, we recognize only two as being consistently honest and accurate in their grading, and they are the GIA and the American Gem Society. The rarity of the diamond is clearly stated on the certificate right here: color, clarity, and carat weight. Three measures of rarity. So now let's take an objective look at how to measure beauty. The first thing to look for is the cut grade of the diamond stated right here on the certificate. The GIA cut grade scale runs excellent, very good, good, fair, and poor. Remember that cut grade does not address the optical characteristics of the diamond crystal, and therefore at best should be considered no more than an indicator of potential beauty. Clearly, what's needed is an empirical measure of actual performance. Many such devices are available to jewelers who are passionate about the diamond industry. This is how it works. Start by creating a controlled environment. Place the diamond at the top, a light at the bottom, ensure the light rotates to create a dynamic environment. Place a video capture device in the unit, and then simply capture images of the diamond doing what diamonds do best. The images are fed to a computer that provides a result that looks like this. It shows an empirical performance score for the diamond and a breakdown of the three elements that describe what your eye recognizes as brilliance, which is white light returned, scintillation, which is the sparkle or twinkle, symmetry, which is that perfect arrows pattern that's present in great looking diamonds. At this point, you are a whole lot smarter than the average diamond salesman, recognizing that rarity, made up of color, clarity, and carat weight, and beauty, made up of cut and performance, can be objectively measured. In my next discussion, we'll take a look at placing a value on rarity and beauty. In the interim, if you have any questions, feel free to email me directly at malcolm@charlescole.com, or if you'd like to learn more about how an extraordinary jewelry store operates, visit us at www.charlescole.com.